Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa thukuru cia Makini Horace Mpanza, mathako nĩ njĩra ĩmwe ĩrĩa ĩhotithagia gũtaũkĩrwo na ihenya maũndũ marĩa arutwo marathomithio irathi-inĩ. Ataramu ruhongeini rwa mathomo makihinyiriria ũhũthĩri wa practicals mathukuru-ini.
Often underestimate the concept of learning through play, and this actually highlights that. These concepts of zero gravity will make sense to a child in the classroom because they've experienced it. So it makes better sense when they've actually experienced it physically themselves.
Understand? Can you jump off the wall?
Arutwo thukuru-ini wa Makini magikorwo na mweke wa kwamũkĩra mathomo ma physics megiĩ zero gravity.
So many of our students failing in physics, in the sciences. Why? Because they are not exposed to experiential learning. So for this is important for us, as our managing director said, enjoying learning. And even as we provide that local curriculum, we use international standards.
It makes better sense when they've actually experienced it. They understand the concepts better, and it's not just something that the teacher tells them or something that they read in a book. They've experienced it and they understand it. Chances are, because of the fun element, they'll actually remember it as opposed to being told what it is by a teacher.
It is experiential to the children and also to the adults, so that they can understand better how the force of gravity acts upon the earth and other objects.
Maya ni mathomo matakinyagira arutwo aingĩ kũrĩa rĩu monanio ma mathomo maya megũthiĩ na mbere kwa ihinda rĩa kiumia kĩmwe thukuru-inĩ ũyũ.
The concept makes it easier for us to relate and to learn in class. I'm sure the students will now do better.
I found the gravitron, it was fun. I liked the way if you tried to put your head up, you'll see it like it's diagonal or upside down.
I liked the gravitron because the fact that it was spinning so fast and you could just like go up in the air.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi wa Shege.